Welcome to our guide on using Incognito mode, the feature that allows you to browse the internet without saving your history. Let's dive in. Accessing Incognito mode varies by browser. In Chrome, simply click on the three dots and select New Incognito window. In Firefox, choose New Private window. It's that easy. When using Incognito mode, your browsing history is not saved and cookies are deleted after closing the window. It's designed to enhance your privacy. However, Incognito mode is not foolproof. Your ISP can still track your activity, and it won't protect against malware or save your bookmarks. So when should you use Incognito mode? It's perfect for shopping for gifts, researching sensitive topics, or browsing on public Wi-Fi. Keep in mind that some browser features are limited in Incognito mode. For example, extensions may be disabled, and saved passwords won't autofill. Incognito mode is often confused with private browsing. While they operate similarly, the name and specifics can vary across browsers. To enhance your safety while in incognito mode, consider using a VPN, avoid sharing personal information, and ensure you're logged out of accounts before closing. In conclusion, incognito mode is a powerful tool for maintaining privacy, but it comes with limitations. Use it wisely for a safer online experience.